Hello everyone, my name is Chuqi Zeng. My final project topic is natural environment indicators and population general health in urban areas. Many studies suggest that exposure to natural environment can enhance human health and well-being. People can gain benefits including the opportunity for physical activity, stress reduction, and so on. The natural environmental indicators that might influence population health are diverse, such as air quality, water quality, land cover types, biodiversity, and so on. The question that I have in this topic is what will be different when we narrow down the scope and just focus on urban areas? The first difference is the natural environment indicators in urban areas, which is less diverse than the unurbanized ones. The main indicators in urban area will be water, air, and green space. So I'm going to investigate the relationships between these natural environment indicators and population health in the urban areas inside New York State. And the final goal of this project is to showcase the opportunities to improve population health in urban areas from the natural environment perspective. The objectives of this project is to test the following three hypotheses. The first one is exposure to higher water quality will benefit the population health. The second one is exposure to higher air quality will benefit the population health in urban areas. The third one is citizens living in the place with larger green space size will have higher self-reported health score in urban areas. For the literature review, I found two papers to support my study. The first one is the paper by Wheeler et al. From 2015. The researchers investigated how average levels of self-reported health in small geographical areas are associated with the type and quality of different natural environments at national scale. The researchers emphasized that the type, quality, and context of green space should be considered in the assessments of relationships between green space and human health and well-being. The second one is the paper by Brandley et al. From 2018. This study strengthens the role of domestic gardens, which contribute a large proportion of the green space in urban areas in UK. The researchers explored the distribution of domestic gardens of population health in UK and figured it out that smaller domestic gardens were associated with a higher prevalence of self-reported poor health. So for my study, I'm going to use ArcMap to build a few thematic maps to visualize the datasets I collected. Then I will use hotspots analysis tool to test if the indicators are associated with the average self-reported health score. The output I expected is the hotspot analysis outcomes would present that the clusters of higher average self-reported health scores will locate around the areas with higher water quality, air quality, as well as larger green space size in the urban areas. So this is the video for my final project proposal. Thank you for watching and listening.